want you to show me how to get
everyone,
to know
I have to sit well.
someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me,
I think I
'cause
also
know
get
then you'll
to
see.
I'm making videos since, and I'm still a tad bit of camera shy. Like, I feel my full personality is not blooming. It's not blooming enough. But welcome back to
hour later.
Hey everyone, I have to sit well. Hey everyone, welcome back to Yuki's Touch. Yes, Yuki's Touch. On this channel I talk about faith, health, beauty, lifestyle, and positive vibes. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, old subscriber that stayed with me when I was on 5 subs only, I really want to appreciate you and welcome back to our channel. It's our channel, we're all family members here. So quickly, I want to talk about menstrual hygiene, what you have to do during your period or during your menstruation. So I just really want to talk about it. I don't know how many I'm going to share, but I'll just be talking. So quickly, let's see how we can go about this menstrual hygiene. Yes, care of the body during your menstruation. My voice is a little rusty this morning, so pardon me. I've not had breakfast, no hot tea yet, so my voice is a bit rusty, so I beg manage them. Thank you. So quick, we are going to do it this way. Some people's period lasts for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 or even 7 days. Yes, and the flow can either be light, medium, or heavy. For those with light flow, they can use, let's say, they can change their pad 4 to 6 hours in a day. Yes, 4 to 6 hours in a day. For those with moderate or for those with moderate flow or medium flow, I was talking about light before, they can change their pad at least 3 to 4 hours in a day. Yes, but for those that have heavy flow that is gushing like tap, oh my god, I feel they have to change their pad every 2 to 3 hours. Yes, every 2 to 3 hours, just so that you will not get stained, or you will not feel irritated, or you will not be embarrassed on the road. Someone will not say, auntie, you are stained. That can be really embarrassing. But I feel like you should not be embarrassed because it's a normal physiological factor. You should not be shamed because you bleed every month. So now I'm going to be talking about what you would do or what you should do before putting on your pad. Yes, first of all, you have to wash your hands. You cannot change pad, like what you are going to wear. You cannot change your pad or put on a new pad, put on pad, whatever, without washing your hands, because you can introduce microorganisms and that can cause an infection. So please wash your hand with soap and water before wearing your pad, and also after changing your pad. So please, so that you can be as clean as possible. Then you're also going to be touching stuff with these hands. You're using your hands to do a lot of things, so try as much as possible to wash your hands before and after changing your pad or the use of pad. Thank you very much. If you are using a tampon or a menstrual cup, I've seen a tampon before, but I've not seen, okay, yes, I've seen a menstrual cup only on videos and pictures, but I've not seen it like physically. I don't really know much about that, but this like encouraging me to read more on it. So I think I'm going to read up on it. But the same process still applies to all, whether you're using a sanitary pad, tampon, or a menstrual cup. Wash your hands frequently when you want to change your pad, your tampon, or your menstrual cup. And also, what I want to mention is use a clean underwear, please. The fact that the pants that you use for day 1 is still looking clean doesn't mean that you should use the same pants or the same underwear for day 2. Please try as much as possible. Maybe change it. It's not hard. Change it. Just change your underwear. Please don't use the same. Just change it. I beg of you, in the name of God. Please, that can be nasty. Don't be nasty, please. Another thing is that, yes, people differ. Do not let your pad get to 8 hours long. I understand that always. I can't remember the year that I did that advertisement. They're saying check, no check. Up to 8 hours long. Stay happy always. It shouldn't get to 8 hours. That's just nasty. That's really nasty. That is really nasty. well, that is so nasty. Please, try as much as possible to change before, like, you shouldn't get up to 8 hours. Please, I understand that sanitary pads, they are very expensive. There are some initiatives that give out free pad, but we are just privileged that we're able to afford sanitary pad. And I feel pads, they should be free, honestly speaking, because I did not ask to bleed every month. Pads, they should be free because this is a normal physiological response. So pads, they should be free. The last thing that I want to mention is, please have your bath frequently, because during this time your hormones, I don't want to say they are going crazy. Your hormones, they are being produced at high level, so you're sweating a lot, you're looking bloated, and yes, you're especially that sweating, and you are bleeding, for crying, is blood. Yes, so please just try and have your bath as frequently as possible. I'm not going to tell you, oh, have your bath 3 times a day or twice in a day, because we all have different jobs and all, but as much as possible, have your bath in the morning, then last thing before you go to bed. And I hope this video has been very helpful. It's just a very short one. Yeah. All right, I have to go now. Bye. Have a blessed day.